Imagine driving your car, completely unaware that a hidden defect could turn a simple commute into a dangerous situation. Well, that's exactly why Hyundai has just issued a major recall affecting more than 85,000 Sonata sedans. Today we're breaking down what's wrong, which models are affected, and what Hyundai owners need to do next. What triggered the recall? Hyundai discovered a serious safety issue, where the gas tank could potentially melt due to heat exposure from a component near the fuel system. This isn't just a minor defect. If left unaddressed, it could lead to a fuel leak and potentially increase the risk of a fire. Which models are affected? The recall specifically covers 85U43 Hyundai Sonata vehicles, primarily model years 2020-2023 models, vehicles equipped with the affected fuel system layout. If you own a Sonata from this range, you're likely included. What's causing the gas tank to melt? The issue stems from a defective component positioned too close to the fuel tank. Under certain driving conditions, it can overheat, causing the plastic fuel tank to soften or warp. Over time, that heat exposure can compromise the tank's integrity. What Hyundai is doing to fix it? Hyundai dealerships will inspect and repair the affected area, add heat protection or replace components, perform all recall repairs free of charge. Owners will be notified directly, but they can also check recall status online with their VIN. What owners should do right now? Visit the NHTSA website or Hyundai's recall lookup. Enter your VIN to confirm if your car is included. Schedule an appointment as soon as possible. Avoid heavy driving conditions that may spike temperatures until the fix is done. This is a safety-critical recall, so acting quickly is important. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more recall alerts, automotive updates, and safety news. Subscribe to the channel and stay informed on the latest car developments.